Hello friends, now we will see the spectrum of amplitude modulation. Here amplitude modulation. We'll start from the definition. Amplitude modulation is nothing but amplitude of the carrier changes in accordance with amplitude of modulating signal. This is a time domain representation in which one message signal it is there, we call it as a modulating signal, which is changing with respect to time. Another one more thing related with this modulating signal is that it attains amplitude of AM. So here AC is the amplitude of the carrier signal, that is another signal which is also changing with respect to time. When the modulation takes place, carrier signal will changes in accordance with amplitude of the modulating signal. When the amplitude of modulating signal is high, carrier amplitude also high. When the modulating signal amplitude low, carrier amplitude is also lower. So this envelope is called amplitude modulated envelope. The minimum amplitude it is indicated as V minimum and maximum amplitude is indicated as V maximum. Here output of this amplitude modulated view, we have three components. One is the carrier signal, another is upper sideband, and third one is the lower sideband. The separation of in terms of the frequency from the carrier signal is FM in both the cases. So the corresponding frequency of the upper sideband it is calculated as FC plus FM and FC minus FM, and the complete bandwidth it is calculated as 2 times FM. Let us see the mathematical expression of this amplitude modulated wave. The modulating signal it is AM cos of omega m into t. Here omega m value we have put 2 pi fm, and the carrier signal is AC cos of 2 pi fct. AM and AC are amplitude modulating and carrier signal. FM and FC are the frequency of the modulating and carrier. Then the equation of the AM modulated wave will be E of AM. This E of AM indicating what? Instantaneous amplitude of the modulated wave. AC plus AM cos of 2 pi FM into T into cos of 2 pi FC into T. Here both signal mix in such a way that modulation takes place. Now E of AM, we have taken this AC as the constant common and taken outside 1 plus m cos of 2 pi fm into t into cos of 2 pi fct. E of am equal to AC cos of 2 pi fct plus m times AC cos of 2 pi fct cos of 2 pi fm into t. What is the m here? M is nothing but the modulation index, that is the depth of the modulation, means how much by how much amount carrier wave is able to cover the modulating signal, that is indicated by small m, and which is modulation index. Now E of AM equal to AC cos 2 pi fct plus m AC divided by 2, that is the amplitude of that particular sideband. Cos of 2 pi fc plus fm into t plus m time, again amplitude of the lower sideband into t. Hence amplitude modulated have three frequencies. First one is the carrier frequency or center frequency, and upper sideband frequency fc plus fm, lower sideband frequency fc minus fm. Here f maximum is indicated as fc plus fm, f minimum it is fc minus fm. According to that, here we able to calculate the bandwidth fc plus fm minus fc minus fm. Here fc get cancelled and simply bandwidth we got as a 2 times fm. This is all about this amplitude modulated wave. and its output expression. Thank you.